Okay, let us continue on our epic journey quest into space future with Luis grunting and moaning, as he often does.
You probably didn't plan on coming back here, eh?
Eh?
Well,
Eh?
plans do change, no? Are you angry? You're angry. There is this one thing I must do before I can recover the Ember.
Before. This is not a negotiation, Louis, so choose your next words carefully.
Whoa. Listen, there is someone who needs my help. You know me, always the good Samaritan.
Let me guess. Leon?
Yes, exactly. Leon and that young woman, they are both infected. They need this medicine. It slows the infection, and I know it works. I used it on myself. So,
Why does this matter to me?
Because you two are infected. It's what I researched for all these years, Ada, and I see the symptoms already showing in your eyes. You must already feel the effects, eh? The medicine will stop them for a time. Just trust me. You have a lot to gain and nothing to lose.
Okay, but this is your last chance. We do this first, and then the Amber.
Amber, 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 Swamber.
Hola, Luis here. You guys still around?
Well, I wanted to go home, but Ashley just had to see this castle first.
Perfect, because I have a present I want to give you. Medicine that will help to suppress the progress of your problem.
Where do we go?
Let's see. Come to the courtyard inside of the castle. We can meet up there. Ciao. Sorry to keep you waiting. Shall we? There's a hidden laboratory downstairs. My stuff should be there.
Along with the suppressant?
What would I do without you, Ada?
Be parasite food? Guess we'll find out.
Mierda! Ada, they're here!
Of course they are.
Oh, no, that's the button. Oops, wrong button. Come on, me. Papa. Cool. I think I just kicked him into spawning a head thing. I did. Ow! Oh, cheekaboochie.
Stay alert!
Don't tell me to stay alert. Just because I took a scythe to the face doesn't mean I'm not alert. Okay, go. Wait, where is he? Retake. Oh, he somehow got ahead of me and I just never saw him. That's weird. I don't know how that happened, but okay. Thanks, Luis. Good thing you're competent.
No, no, no! We can't let the medicine be destroyed.
Luis, let it go. Luis. You're serious? Luis, get back here. Don't inhale the smoke.
Wait. Oh, okay. Oh, he dead. Look at him. He dead.
If you're trying to kill yourself, can you do it after you've delivered the amber?
It's all gone. Burnt to nothing.
Why is this so important to you?
There are things I must set right. But that is impossible now. It's all over, and I can't help them anymore.
Pull yourself together, Luis. Make more. You know how, just do it.
Yes, it is possible. The ingredients are all here, in the castle. Yes, I need time, but I can still get you your amber.
All right, then. Let's go.
We can go back up this way, then figure out our next move. This way.
It's a box. Luis, no! I need box! Box, Luis! For the love of God, Luis, box! I do love box. Box, because box gives so many things. Voodoo, you voodoo, cat. With a gun in my hand, I got a frying pan.
Anyway,
You're better off not knowing. Trust me.
well, you can work for the devil for all I care. As long as you get me out of here.
Actually, I'm kind of curious as to how you haven't just, like, left by yourself. Or, well, maybe they go real far to find you.
Oh yeah, I'll unlock the... Huh? Where's the key? Shit. I must have dropped it.
That works too.
Okay. Won't be my finest effort, but it might just work. Ada, find these ingredients. Just maybe I can make a new batch of medicine. Time's not our friend. You go. Find them, and I will go grab the amber. Wish me luck.
Red ink. Gold bottle. Treasure room. Blue butterfly. Interesting.
This is where we part. Good luck.
Likewise.
Do I go this way? Maybe. Oh, no, I go this way.
All right, first bindery.
Hi, how are you? Good? That's good. Huh? Very glorious. And now you're dead. Isn't it great when you're glorious and dead? Lithographic stone, okay. Big to big strong. Ooh.
A raccoon. Guess this is fate.
Raccoons are evil in this universe.
New wares, stranger. You're in for a treat.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Welcome, stranger. I still have some new
We're at
items
9.
you might be interested in. Why
Red
not
9,
try
red 9.
your hand at a new gun, stranger? Might save your life. Ruby's all rubbish. It makes no difference. The price, a deal well struck. A deal well struck. Will that be all then? All yours, stranger. Gun will look great with that attached. That's good work, if I do say so myself. Dazzled, are you? Our craftsmanship demands no less. Oh, my back is killing me. Years haven't been kind to us, I suppose. Willed it. Now go and cause some mayhem, eh?
And then we... do that. Nice. And now the game is truly playable. Let me tell you, this is the best. The best and the rest. The best and the rest. The best and the rest. I got a gun. Got a gun. A cool new gun that's lots of fun. Oh, wait. Somewhere over here. Maybe not. Oh. Oh, well, that's a fan. Oh, there's a square up there. Hmm. I want to say that's correct. Oh, actually, maybe not, because that kind of looks like it needs a different look. A graphic stone up there. Oh. Oh, is that not correct? Oh, okay, I see. There we go. I did not notice that. I should have noticed the square instead of the. But I saw a red symbol that fit, and I was like, hey.
The first ingredient should be in this room.
Okay. All these suits of armor are going to come alive, I bet you. Hmm.
It won't open.
Wait, I know that sound. Yaha! What's in here? Oh, just velvet blue. Cool. Anything on the table? No. No, wait, shield's up there. 1, 2, 3. There are 5 of them. Sam. Make any sense? Yeah, that didn't make any sense. What is the puzzle here? Well, let's see, just make sure I go around. There's nothing else to interact with. Hmm. I am unsure. Catte is unsure what is supposed to happen, do, but is brilliant, maybe. So figure it out. Possible, maybe? Well, okay, so this is the only clue I have. Wait. Julio. Oh, get shooting. So 1, 2, 3? Is that... Okay, but... Yeah, there's not a 5th shield up there. So... Oh, okay. That's neat.
That must be the ink.
Cool. I figured it had the juice shield, I just did not notice. Oh! It's Limon.
You can stop right there, Leon. Would
Look-
let me use this.
Look at them making eyes at each other.
Well, after 6 years, that is one hell of a greeting, Ada.
You don't seem surprised. Interesting.
using knives next time. Better for close encounters.
Not a bad move. Very smooth.
So who are you working for this time?
Oh, Leon. You know I don't work in town. Leave the girl. She's lost no matter what. You walk away now. And who knows? Maybe you'll live to meet me again. And then I might get you that greeting you were looking for.
You think I'm gonna give up that easy?
Right. How about we continue this discussion another time?
They were making eyes at each other the entire time. Everybody.
Leon?
Oh, yeah. Oh, she likes the Leon. That's fun. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow. They do make a weird, cute couple, despite all of the weird treachery things. Unlike ham and bacon, that's just too much pork power in one spot. Actually, I guess that's not necessarily true.
The gate
Well,
and gong have the same symbol. Seems simple enough.
burb. How are you normally supposed to get through this? Is it actually just like, yeah, use the gun? Oh. Yeah, that doesn't seem good.
Who comes up with these things?
That is actually a great question. Oh, there. A little bit faster would be good. How would that help you get out in a normal situation? Did they know Ida was coming? That's silly. Maybe they did. And they thought it would be only sporting to give her a good chance.
Okay, now for the second ingredient.
Ooh, a compass. A lot of suits of armor that seem weirdly
Looks
tall.
like something goes here.
Okay. Ooh.
A trap. A clean strike.
Ooh, there's a spindle. Oh my goodness. That's weird. One would think that you would need to put like the parasite like in a body or something. Like you would think it would need to have goo to feed on. But I guess not. This is a very nice part of the castle. In comparison to how the rest of the castle looks, this is a very nice part of the castle. Hmm. Is there anything to shoot or do? Doesn't really look like it. Oh, right. Who is she saying move to? Swoop. And then we're gonna heal, and then there we are. Very good. Oh, okay. So you gotta keep taking the bottle with you. My lord, this is so elaborate.
I think I know what's coming. Thought so.
Wait. Oh, there it is. Thanks for that. And reload. Uh-oh. Excuse me. Oh, hi, thanks. Excuse me. Oh, jeez. Wait, can I take this? Thanks. Oh, well, that's not good. Okay, let's try that again. I'm dying a lot here. It's weird. Weird, man.
Thought so.
Oh, that didn't do very much. Oh, okay. Excuse me? Oh, that wasn't very good. Oh. Well. What? Ow. Oh my goodness. Jeez Louise, man. That was a lot of stuff going through there. Alright. Hmm. It's more of that. Okay, a little bit more gunpowder, apparently. And more health stuff. Oh, I'm silly. Because I can do this. But I can do this first. And then go... Wait, how are the... Maybe they're weighted differently? Oh, that's weird. Ah, here we go. Elegant chessboard. That is a very elegant chessboard. Although, oops, no, not the silver one. The other thing that's bad about this, though, is that somebody could mess with you and use it.
All right, one ingredient left.
Oh, hi, how you doing? What's this? All the blue medallions in the courtyard. Okay.
Welcome. I've got something new for you, mate.
Oh, really?
You'll get some bang for your buck. I guarantee it.
If you say so, beautiful stranger.
Ruby's all right. A deal well struck. Anything else I can help you with? If you want dazzled, are you? Our craftsmanship demands no less.
Not using the shotgun very often. I really like the Red 9 though, so I upgraded to max damage. The best damage is max damage. Okay. Alright. Oh. Let me guess, is it whiskey?
Okay, Luis. That's 2.
Last one should be in a room accessible from the castle wall. You bring them all to the top of the wall, and I'll have your amber. Oh, and here's some more info I've recovered about that old rock. Sending it now.
View file. Okay. That's great potential. When it stays suspended, animation holds influence over other parasites. Seems possess the same organ as the dominant species and likely has the same level of control. So no method to awaken it. Okay. Interesting. Is this the courtyard? It's the courtyard. Oh, that's the courtyard. Oh, hello. It's fun to shoot these.
Now, where are the others?
Nice. Excuse me, birdies. Oh, what?
Couldn't just let me through, could you?
No, of course not.
Luis.
Wait. Damn.
There you are.
Okay, wait. There's one to my right.
What?
I said there's one to my. Oh, there it is. That works.
My head.
Thanks. What? Oh, I guess it told me to F melee, and I thought that would stun them, and apparently it does not stun them. Or it does not stun them as much as I thought. Something happened. Meow. I need a shotgun. Yeah.
Couldn't just let me through, could you?
Of course not, Ada. Things aren't allowed to be simple for you.
Voice.
You're supposed to go through Heckenback. Heckenback.
My head.
No. What the heck? I didn't even know I could do that.
My head.
Finally. Yep. That is very loud. Stop screaming.
There you are.
Here, let's do this. Thanks. Oh, what? What? Oh, you. There you go. Very dead. You are Gloria very dead. Gloria super dead. Thanks. Excuse me. What?
Get back here.
Anytime you want to die would be nice. How about today? Fine. Are you kidding me? Good thing I have herb. Oh gosh, that is very annoying.
Challenge.
Ada, you were just getting punched a lot. I wouldn't say too much about them needing to give you more of a challenge. I mean, I was the one getting you punched, but that's okay. Because I'm trying. Now let's kill this dumb guy. This dumb guy! Oh, jeez.
Finally. Glad that's over.
Oh, yeah, that's the red guy. Wait, where's the last blue? I need to use her TMP more. I'm so used to being on Leon and just like using the fully upgraded Red 9 for most things. And it works very well for most things. But I think her TMP seems like it's a pretty good weapon, and I have a decent amount of ammo for it because I, well, actually, partially because I haven't been using it very much. I am Ada Wong and I'm real cool. Whatcha? The greatest Ada that's ever been Ada. Okay, wait. So it's like... Oh. Shooting. It looks like it was like... Oh, it's... so it must be inside up there. Maybe? Hmm. Oh, it's there.
That should do it.
There we go. Oh, but we need to go back over there. Excellent. Man, having that grapple hook is very useful. Don't you have to wind it up or anything. Very fast. Okay, let's do this.
The last ingredient's not far now.
Well, that's good. I'm glad it's not far, Ada. You deserve... victory! Real quick, just want to see. What happens if I do all 3 sapphires? What happens if I do... That's less, okay. So all 3 sapphires we get more. No, that doesn't sound good.
Sound.
I'll save that for
That's
everyone.
right. I still have some unfinished business to take care of.
Is that gonna be what's here going? What are you doing?
So, what's become of the Amber?
Sorry, nothing yet. But my little helper is creating quite the commotion. Everything will work out just fine.
As long as you can keep your dog under control.
He's a good boy. Predictable.
Fine. Keep your mutt. But don't come crying to me if you get bit.
Leon, changed your mind yet?
Yeah?
Assuming you haven't, I've got a tip for you. Seems like something big is about to go down in the throne room. Babysitting's tough, huh?
Oh, Ada, your charm is many bounded. Bounded 3-way. Bounded 4. I think it has like 8 chains across it, really. 8-way? Is that how you bound it 8-way? 8-folded path. But not like that. Or not the corn one either. Ooh, yellow diamond. I wonder, would it go up if I used all 3 different colors? Let's see. Hmm. Interesting. So it seems like, at least for now, it's... Yeah. It seems like for now we'll just do that, and then...
This
keep
must be the
the
collection
yellow.
room. Blue butterfly.
Okay. I don't know, I just figured I'd give it a random shot. Okay. The collection master, Sataki, and lousy boss leaves all the sections for me to do. Even if he does bother to come here, all he does is gawp at his 3 favorite specimens in a particular order before leaving. There's nothing special about them anyway. Why don't we look at 3 specimens where we have the prize butterfly to admire? Good researcher. No, would know such things.
Interesting.
Weird. I kind. Okay. So one's the deer. Okay, whatever.
Good to know.
Oh wait, did that actually say? Okay, so beetle. Oh, okay, so he came in this way. He looks at the beetle first. Then he looks at... the lizard last, I think. So beetle first, lizard last. Yeah. Nice. Oh,
Got everything you need.
Good. And I got exactly what you want. Oh, that's not good. The parasite is reacting to the amber.
So that's the amber. That looks like something Wesker would want.
Oh no!
This will knock out the parasite. But only for a time. You ready? A tu salud. Just remember, it's not a cure. We still need to find a way to get that thing out of you.
It's coming.
Uh-oh. Well, did you make enough?
Don't understand. It should be working by now.
Take the amber and go. Once the parasite is sedated, you can give me back that damn stone.
I can't leave you here. Not like this.
Spare me. I'll be fine. You got another promise to keep.
All right, but you come find me as soon as you're done here.
Okay, let's kill a guy. Oh, let's kill a scary guy. Next time. Next time we'll kill a scary guy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that you're ready to kill a scary guy next time. Okay, bye, love you, bye, bye, goodbye, bye, love you, bye, God loves you, bye, bye, bye.